Hello and welcome to another episode of the CleanNow podcast. I'm your host, Smitha Sahu, the owner of CleanNow, a cleaning service provider based in Dubai. Today, we are diving deep into the world of sofa cleaning with our guest, Mallikarjuna Yeturi, an experienced interior designer. Welcome to the show, Mallikarjuna.
Thank you, Smitha. It's a pleasure to be here.
Great to have you here. Let's start by discussing why sofa maintenance is so important from an interior design perspective.
Absolutely, Smitha. Sofas are often the centerpiece of a living room. They're not just functional, but they also contribute to the overall aesthetic and feel of a space. Therefore, maintaining their look and cleanliness is crucial.
That's a great point. Could you share some practical tips for our listeners on how to maintain their sofas?
Sure, Smitha. Firstly, regular vacuuming is essential to remove dust and crumbs. Also, consider using a fabric cleaner suitable for your sofa's material. This will help maintain the color and feel of the fabric.
What about leather sofas? How should our listeners care for them?
Leather sofas require a different approach. Regular dusting is important, and you should also consider using a special leather conditioner to keep the material supple and prevent it from cracking.
That's very useful advice. What are some common mistakes people make when cleaning their sofas?
One common mistake is not checking the cleaning codes for their sofa. Different fabrics require different cleaning methods, so it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Another mistake is using too much water or cleaning solution, which can soak into the cushions and cause mold or mildew.
That's definitely something our listeners need to be mindful of. Lastly, when should our listeners call in a professional cleaning service like CleanNow?
Professional cleaning can help extend the life of a sofa, so I'd recommend it at least once a year. You should also consider professional cleaning if you have stubborn stains or if the sofa has a bad odor.
Thank you so much, Mallikarjuna, for sharing your insights today. It was a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you, Smitha. I hope our listeners found the information useful.
That's all for today's episode of the CleanNow podcast. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on maintaining a clean and healthy home. Goodbye for now.